Hello everybody, welcome to Kelly's Family's Adventures. I'm John.
I'm Sarah.
And today we are doing a unboxing from Tinks Treasure. You wanna do this one?
Yeah, I can do this one. So we ordered a few stuff from the Tinks Treasures. A few personalised stuff. Had to make sure that they're right. We did get a mystery box. So we have no idea what's in that yet until we have a look. So we've got these. These are door plaques, or you can stick them on your beds with any name on them. They wasn't expensive, but they are made from acrylic. So we've got a football one for Charlie. This one for Millie. It's like I think that one's like a baby blue colour. And she does them with any name that you like on them. And any colour.
Any style as well, I believe.
Yeah. We got a spearmint one. That's with Florrie's name on it.
They're Sam's grandkids.
And we've got one for Harley, and we picked the gaming one for him. She does do dinosaurs as well, and ballerinas, as well as plain colours. So then we picked our youngest favourite colour, which is orange, and he wants that for the top of his bed, and that's fine.
So yeah, she does them. Can you remember how much they are each? If not, check her out. She's on Instagram, which is Tinks Treasures, and she's also on Facebook as Tinks Treasures. Or some people might know her as Debbie from the Travis Family Adventures on YouTube, Instagram.
We do order like a lot of stuff from her.
I've had quite a few bits from her now, and they've all been spot on.
Lanyards.
Lanyards.
My hair bubbles.
Air bubbles. We've got what do we get, boys? The ones where you hang your baseball hats up on your wall.
Yeah.
She does all different styles of ribbons.
I got Nessie some little bubbles and some bows and
Headbands.
Yeah. So this is the mystery bag. This wasn't expensive.
What's that? £5? £5 I think she did a deal on, didn't she?
Yeah. So let's empty it out.
That's a hell of a lot of stuff.
That is a lot of stuff. You got a bracelet. So if you have young children or teenagers, that's a bit handy.
Well, we've got little Mickeys on it as well.
We've got a Minnie Mouse keyring.
Mickey.
It's
a Mickey Mouse little keychain for your keys or whatever.
A little found charm that Zane's decided that he's having on his book bag.
A little fun, yeah. Captain America.
We've got I think that's for keys or something.
Yeah, we've got a Mickey one, a little small one, and we've got we've got a Star Wars one.
Yeah.
For our so we want car keys, so you don't lose them at the bottom of your bag, basically.
Come in handy because if I'm going around the supermarket. We've got
Is that?
I think that might be an ears clip.
She does it one to put your ears on and clip on your bag for when you walk around Disney, or it might be the travel pillow one. I'm not quite sure. They both look very similar. But that's a Minnie Mouse one. As you see, it's got a lot of bows on.
No,
I think this might be the travel pillow one. This is Princess and the Frog.
And it's a bit bigger.
It's a bit bigger. It steps open. You put your neck pillow? I think right before.
I think so.
Put your neck pillow in there. Fasten it back up. Clip it on your little travel bag. That's that one.
We've got a couple of lanyards, so we'll show you the first one when I can get it untangled. That's Cinderella.
This one's Cinderella. This is a lanyard. Obviously, your park tickets and stuff can go in there, or we use ours for our ID badge at work, don't we?
Yeah.
So we put our ID badges and stuff on work, and that one's Cinderella.
Always good for sticking badges on it as well.
Yeah, it's good for your pins and stuff.
And then we get the 50th anniversary.
And the 50th anniversary one as well, and that is also a lanyard. A little plastic pouch. She can do any style. Check her out. She has got a hell of a lot. I think she's just put on another.
Yeah, she just
20 bows, 20 more ribbons that she does.
Because I know that she just put Spider-Man on there.
Yeah, she's Spider-Man, Minecraft, Fortnite, Man United, Man City. I've seen earlier on.
Let's see, because she just popped up again actually.
Lots of Disney.
So she's now doing the park lanyards as well.
So your park lanyards are.
We've got. One. I don't think it's that one.
Yeah, it is. Look, these lanyards are made of. So she does different Mickeys, Spider-Man, princesses. I think that's 50th anniversary. Is that Descendants? Descendants, different Mickey ones. She's got the teacup.
Let me have a look further down on her page, because I know that she has put some more on there.
The Fortnite ribbon and Minecraft. Walking Dead ribbon. Man United and Man City, like I said. Princesses.
She has updated her page a lot recently.
Donald and Daisy, Brave, Finding Nemo, that one's new. Toy Story. She's got Oogie Boogie, Poison Apple, Peter Pan, Up Blue, Up Green, Safari, Mickey and Friends, Star Wars, Villains ribbon, and she's also got a Mickey autism ribbon on there as well.
I think that autism one is really nice. Here's the part
ones is Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, Universal Studios and SeaWorld. She's got Epcot, which is Skyliner, the pattern off the Epcot globe, I think it is, and some more Epcot ones. She's got
that's all
Batman, Universal, Spider-Man, Scooby-Doo, Cat in the Hat, Harry Potter. So yeah, she's got loads. I'm sure if you ask her, she'll be able to find it for you as well.
She also does the wristbands with your phone number on it as well. Like if you're going to go to a theme park, which I will be ordering her some of those for the kids.
She does the itinerary planners as well, with your names on front, all personalised. She's adding different things every day, so I can't really we can't keep track on what she's adding, but there is a lot of stuff. So
she did send us a few nicer things in the post as a free gift. We do order a lot of stuff off of her, and we do also support small businesses as well. So she has made us a personalised keyring, which will be going on our keys.
That says Cam Kelly Family Adventure, so we've got one for car keys.
And there is another one here.
And the other one is the same with Mickey on end, and that's probably going to go on my vlogging bag.
And then she sent a little something for the boys for Easter.
She sent a
little really nice.
Something for the boys as well. So a little Easter egg you can paint with a little paintbrush in there. So she sent two of them for the boys.
And she's also sent some business cards, because there is a lot of people asking at work about her products and her services.
That's a business card, if you can see. If not, I'll make a thumbnail for YouTube, and it's on there. So she's at Tinks Treasures on Instagram. Oh no, Tinks Treasure Handmade is Instagram, and Tinks Treasures is Facebook. Also, they have a YouTube channel, which is Travis Family Adventures. Check them out. They've got quite a few Disney, Blackpool stuff. Alton Towers, they go a lot as well, don't they?
Yeah, we are going to try and arrange to meet up with them.
I'm going to try and arrange to meet up.
Maybe either before we go to America or after. But I know that we're going to meet up in America.
Yeah, we'll meet up with them in Florida.
Because they have got an invitation to our wedding ceremony. But yeah, gave her a look. She's got all sorts in there, and if you're not sure on anything, if you give her her message, she will get back to you as soon as she would try and make your order. But yeah, there's a lot of thought and effort gone into making a lot of these. It
also helps Debbie with her mental health. She suffers with mental health, so doing things like this keeps her busy, basically. So yeah, give her a check out on YouTube. There's Travis Family Adventures on YouTube, Tinks Treasures on Facebook and Instagram, as well as Travis Family Adventures is on Instagram as well, and Facebook is Travis Family Adventures. So yeah,
no doubt we will be ordering some more
than likely before we end up going to Florida. Yeah. But yeah, that's everything. So if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Give us a comment, because like I said, we love chatting to our subscribers.
We have got an upcoming last minute event on Sunday.
Yeah, we're going out again somewhere on Sunday. We've got We the Curious vlogs to upload from last Sunday, because Sarah's now passed the driving test, so we can go more places.
Pass me those.
Yeah. And yeah, thank you for watching. As always, please like, subscribe and comment with a notification bell on. It helps us out. We're at 163 subscribers at the minute, I think. I don't know how many of them are going to stay, because we seem to be fluctuating. One day we'll get 6 or 7 new subscribers, and next day YouTube took them off us. So
yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
But if you have any ideas now that I'm driving, places to visit, like in or around Bristol or even Wales, drop us a comment and we'll have a look. We're all up for ideas and a bit of an adventure, as long as it's not too far away.
Yeah, so
I'm happy to drive.
So that's it. That's everything we've got off Tinks this time. And thanks for watching. Please check our channel out. Thank you. Goodbye.